Introduction to HIIT for fat burn.
High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a proven method for burning fat efficiently, even at home. This approach alternates quick bursts of intense activity with short rest periods. You don't need fancy equipment or much space. What you do need is commitment and energy. Get ready to learn a step-by-step HIIT routine specifically designed to help you torch fat while working out in your own living room.
Benefits of HIIT workouts.
HIIT workouts offer several benefits for anyone aiming to lose body fat. They burn more calories in a shorter time compared to many other exercise styles. And they continue burning calories even after your workout is over. HIIT can also boost cardiovascular health, improve endurance, and help maintain muscle mass. Best of all, these workouts are flexible and can be performed without equipment.
Step 1. Warm up for safety and performance.
Start every HIIT session with a warm-up to prepare your body. Spend 3 to 5 minutes doing dynamic movements like marching in place, arm circles, jumping jacks, or easy squats. Warming up gradually increases your heart rate, loosens your joints, and helps prevent injury. Take this time to focus mentally and get ready for the intensity ahead.
Step 2. The HIIT circuit routine.
Perform this circuit, 40 seconds of all-out effort followed by 20 seconds of rest for each exercise. Try these moves: squat jumps, push-ups, mountain climbers, high knees, and burpees. After completing the circuit, rest for 1 minute. Repeat the entire routine 2 to 3 times, depending on your fitness level. This format keeps your heart rate elevated and maximizes fat-burning potential.
Step 3. Cool down and recovery.
Finish your workout with a cool down to help your body recover. Slow your pace by walking in place or doing gentle stretching exercises for 5 minutes. Focus on your major muscle groups: legs, arms, and core. Cooling down reduces muscle soreness and allows your heart rate to return to normal, making it a crucial part of every HIIT session.
Tips for getting the most from HIIT.
For best results, perform HIIT workouts 2 to 4 times per week. Remember to listen to your body and rest as needed. Maintain proper form during each exercise to prevent injury, and gradually increase intensity as your fitness improves. Pair your workouts with a balanced diet for optimal fat loss, and track your progress to stay motivated on your fitness journey.